Imagine, if you will, a world where laws are not dictated by man but by divine guidance. A world where brotherhood and unity are the foundations of society and not division and self-interest. This is the vision of life as described in the Holy Quran. But how does this vision contrast with the laws scripted by man in our constitutions? This is the question we delve into today. In the beginning, we were all one, descendants of the prophet Adam, peace and blessings upon him. This singularity, this brotherhood, is a fundamental tenet of the Quran. It's a principle that transcends borders, race, and nationality. Yet we find ourselves in a world where these divisions are not only present but emphasized and exploited. Now consider the Constitution, a book written by man, a set of laws that govern our societies. It's a document that is held in high regard, a pillar of governance. But how does it align with the teachings of the Quran? Unfortunately, the answer is not encouraging. The Constitution, in many ways, contradicts the teachings of the Quran. It fosters division rather than unity, promotes self-interest rather than communal welfare, and lacks the balance and equality that the Quran advocates for. These constitutional laws, they tell us that we are different, that we are separate. They tell us that resources are not for equal distribution, that some are more deserving than others. This is not in line with the teachings of the Quran, which emphasizes equality, balance, and the equitable distribution of resources. The Quran teaches us that we are all one, all descendants of the prophet Adam, peace and blessings upon him. It teaches us to love and care for each other, irrespective of color, origin, or status. It paints a picture of a world where peace and unity reign supreme, a stark contrast to the world we find ourselves in today. In conclusion, the constitutional laws written by man and the divine laws laid down in the Quran are at odds with each other. One promotes division and self-interest, while the other advocates for unity and communal welfare. It's a dichotomy that every believer must grapple with, a choice between man-made law and divine guidance. As we navigate through this complex world, it's essential to remember the teachings of the Quran, to strive for unity and brotherhood, and to promote equality and balance. It's a quest that requires deep introspection and unwavering commitment. But it's a journey worth embarking on, a path that leads to a world of peace and unity. Thank you for joining in this exploration of the contrast between constitutional and Quranic laws. Until next time, peace and blessings upon you all.